Hello everyone, I am Chase at Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the UTV Cab Heater from Polaris. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at this Polaris Cab Heater. If you're a rider that refuses to let cold weather stop you from having a good time, whether you're just out recreational riding, maybe you use your side-by-side for hunting in the fall and the winter months, or maybe like us here in Utah, you plow snow in the wintertime, this is an awesome upgrade to have. We have one of these installed in one of our side-by-sides here at Rocky Mountain. I have plowed snow in the middle of winter in a snowstorm here, and I've actually done it in a t-shirt because this provided so much heat. Now, keep in mind with that side-by-side that we have a full cab enclosure kit, which we will talk about more in just a minute. But again, if you do want to be as comfortable as possible, having this heater is going to make a great difference. It is an investment, but we think it's well worth the money. Now, when it comes to these, looking at it here on the table, might not seem like much, and looking at the core of the heater, you might think it's big and it's bulky, but remember, after you have it installed, I think they do a great job with the installation, and they do a great job of installing underneath the dash, so you still have a nice clean look. It's out of the way, so it's not going to interfere when you're out having a good time in your side-by-side. Now, the way they work is real simple. It's going to work just like your car or your truck's heater. So you're going to hook it up. It's going to utilize the coolant in your engine to provide that hot air. So you're going to have your heater. Everything you're going to need for installation is all going to come included. This is a job that you can do from your own home. No specialty tools are required, so you're just going to need a good set of basic hand tools. But in the kit, like I said, everything comes included. This is going to plug right into your vehicle power supply. But you're going to have your vents. What's great about these is not only do you have your heater vents, but you also have a defrost as well, so you can defrost that windshield. You're going to have your control switch. You have a high and a low setting for your fan. You can see you can control the heat, but also what's nice too is that you do have a third fan setting, which actually turn the core heater off. So what you can do there is actually just circulate air through the cab, and it's just going to be blowing air. It's not going to be hot air. So you have a couple different options there as far as how much air and how hot you want the air to be circulating through the cab. So with install, like I said, job you can do from home, comes with instructions. They are very detailed, so just take your time and read through these. If you guys do have questions about install, you can leave your comments below and we will help get those answered. But like I said, shouldn't take you too long. Now, lastly, keep in mind, when it comes to a cab heater, to get the most benefit out of these, it's going to be best to try and enclose your cab as much as possible. Like I said, our side-by-side here, we have a full cab enclosure kit, which we offer for specific machines. So you couple that with a cab heater, you're going to be rocking and rolling. Now, we do have a great body guide where we talk about a lot of different options when it comes to roofs, front windshields, rear windows, lower doors, upper door panels, everything you need to fully enclose your cab to keep that warm air in. So if you want to see everything that is machine specific that we carry for it, just use our parts finder, like I said, into the make, the model, and the year. As you scroll down, you're going to see all those different options of what we carry. You can also watch that body guide to get some great ideas. If you guys have any questions about this Polaris Cab Heater, leave your comments below. We will help get those answered. And to pick yours up, just click on the link at the end of this video. If you like this little product spotlight, well, do not hesitate, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we are constantly rolling out how-to videos, product spotlights, buyer's guides, UTV builds, everything that you need to get your side-by-side rocking and rolling. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.